We're removing the top layer so that we should, you can make porridge maybe. Cooking dry corn for oh yeah. This one is from this side. You know it is early. It's around 8:25. Around 8:25. That's how we turn, using a hoe, a jembe, like you are digging. So guys, we are washing that big stone. For my traditional language, my native language is called orogena. Those are the stones that when you have them at your home, you are rich. So we have to wash it because it was kept somewhere. Like, yeah. I think you will understand. You want to dry it first. Guys, we have yeast. Do you know yeast? When you have finger millet, this is what comes out when you ferment it and then you dry it. So yeast, it is the best even in Kulia, Nyabonsi. People do use this one here to make BUSAA. So we are going to grind it. Yes, in our traditional language, this one is, how do you call it? Traditional porridge. Even at the bar of Raira, hey, the junior was saying that you you trained me how to have porridge. You never meant the normal porridge, you meant the traditional porridge. Now I'm going to grind the yeast. My mom trained me this. Other people take it to the posho mill, but as myself, we usually use our hands to grind it. Some time ago, this is what they used to do this, and then you're gonna cook ugari, brown ugari. very tired. Jesus. When you cook ugali, it should be very fine. But this one here, it is not supposed to be fine, guys. Like this. That's what I'm saying.
What was it big?
We are going to mix. We are mixing it. This is the yeast, local yeast, and the dry unga. Guys, I've used a pot, but my pot was broken, so I have to use it. Jerry corn. So we have the dry corn, the fried corn. Now it is the fried corn. Tunaweka ndani ya mtungi. There is water inside already. See, this is I'm not getting it.
Almost 18 years.
18 years, you see? This is from my late mother. So we have to start inside. Our farm, we have, these are young, they are growing pumpkin leaves over here. In addition, we have Chinese spinach. This one we have grown. We have corn. We have onions. This is like a treatment. Still the sun is here, it's around 10 a.m. And we have done some mulching. You know, this one keeps on the moisture inside the, so that it get it. Oh, I've forgotten the aggregate. It keeps it warm. Like even the tulips, you are supposed to put a lot of rubbish, like cabbage. You lay them all over on the lines like this.